Lord Jesus, take the wheel. Well, hey yo, aye, these lights are bright, bruv. Imagine, no trim. My trim is next week, but I'm recording this week. You know why? Because the show must go on. Well, the show must start, bruv. The show must start. And with that being said, yo people, welcome to Kicks TV. I am your humble host, that is I. So, today on this episode, this is the Kicks of the month for November. If you follow the Insta, which is at Kicks_TV, you'll see that I have been uploading the trainers that I bought from March 2019 up until October. And so for November, I decided to do something different, which is to upload this onto YouTube instead. And here we are. So, what did I buy, you asked? I got none other than the Jordan Retro 4 What The. And this is actually going to be my first time seeing them. As you can see, like, the box is still like sealed in it. So, I'm going to open them and review them. So I'll do my first look. So that's what it's called, something like that. First look, you even know what I mean, innit? And my review on them at the same time, innit? So let's get into it. Obviously, before that, guys, feel free. You better just go and follow the Instagram at KICKZ_TV. Put the link in the bio sign. You know what I mean? Wait, is that it? I opened it. Oh, calm. By the way, guys, as Dave said, I helped plant the tree. That I did. Alright, cool. Let me give you some background there. So these came out on the 23rd of November, retailed at around £170, and they ranged in size from junior to adult. And cool, like originally seen them like online, I thought they were pretty cool. So hopefully I feel the same. Hopefully I feel the same in real life. So cool. We got the classic like Jordan Retro 4 box. So by the way, 2019 is the 30-year anniversary for the Jordan 4. So Nike decided to mix 4 of the OG, well, roughly, arguably 4 of the OG Nike Jordan 4s, which are the cement, the military blue, the fire red, and what I think is the red 4s as well. Fam, that sounds so artificial. Anywho, cool, let's get into it. Alright, cool. Alright, say nothing. Alright, say nothing. Wait, what size is this come? Say nothing. Wait, fam, where's the size though? There we go. Alright, say nothing. What? Say nothing. How you feeling? Yeah. Alright, cool. So, oh gosh. Alright, hold on there. I like to put my tissue. I'm particular about my tissue and I hate it hanging out. I hate it. Oh, there comes spare laces. Love to see it. Alright, cool. Boom. So, initial thoughts, yeah. Like online, I didn't know if I'd like the fact that the heels are too completely different. But now looking at it in real life here, I'm sold. I'm actually sold. Like, I'm sold. Like, these are hard. I can see myself in this trackie even, with this on, or maybe like my black trackie, maybe just some jeans. Yeah, these are definitely hard, man. Alright, cool. So we've got leather all along the upper, a nice rubber sole, and the sole's different. Yeah, even the soles are different. The soles are, these ones look like a mix between the cements and the fire red. These look like, again, another, like, this is what I mean when I felt like they might include the red 4s as well, because the sole, correct me if I'm wrong, looks roughly like the black sections look like the red 4 sole. So the grills come in different colors. So we have the blue on your right foot, the black on your red foot. The like wings, we have a mix between the what I'd say would be bread wings and cement wings, and a little bit of military blue wings, which you carry on to like the bottom lace holes. As you can see, fam, man feels like I'm just like, and then people in the showroom, bruv, that are displaying the things in the like auctions and that. Cool. So, got two different colour insoles in it. Let me see if I can get this out. Ah, yeah, they're removable. Lovely. Lovely. So, we have black insole and a red insole. These little additions here is what make it so nice. You know what? You bake off there. Also, behind the tongue, we have Air Jordan written. And I was saying, leather along the upper, rubber along the sole. Ooh, the tongues are nice as well, even different colour tongues. This is the military blue tongue, this cement tongue. Oh gosh, cement heel, military blue heel. Oh gosh, yeah, these are hard. These are hard. These are hard. Even have extra laces as well. You know what, I might try. I might swap one of these laces out. Cool. I might swap one of these laces out and put black ones in and see how it is. There might be like bare 2015 kind of vibes, but I might roll with it and see what it's saying. Because fam, I like it a lot. So these are my personal kicks of the month for November. Let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys are rolling with me in case of copying it. Would you drop it or would you copy it to shot it? Thank you guys for watching. Please follow the Insta at kick_TV. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel is really just going to be about trainers, like my personal views. I'm going to try and get as much as I can as possible on this show. I'll show you like some cleaning tips, chit chat, mainly about these bad boys right here. Trainers, bruv. Alright, cool. Have a good night, day, morning, afternoon, whatever. God bless. Peace. Feel free to leave a comment what you want to see, what you don't want to see. And yeah, again, please follow the Instagram at kicks_TV.